This time I'm making a flower stand, but this one is a bit different. This stand can be redesigned whenever you get bored of the look. You will see what I mean later. Here is a little hint of what I have in mind. Now I'm making stands where the flower pots will sit. I'm making them in 3 different sizes because, well, some plants are smaller and some are bigger. I wanted to build a flower stand, but a bit different than this usually. So in my build you can adjust the height or you can change the position of the flowers. Just like this. Yeah. I welded plates here on each one of these because I wanted to have like flat surface, but there was a gap here, so I had to weld all the way. I'm working on the bottom plate. It has to fit the tube frame perfectly, so that once it's painted there won't be any visible gap. Just like this. Before painting, I did some tests, and it looks like I need to move one of the stands a bit. When I put the plants on it, the whole structure tends to tip over. It's ready for painting.